Thank you for viewing the Crystal Cheese Pump assembly video. Parts needed for the cheese pump assembly are the knob, locking collar, 3 gauging collars, the head tube, head insert, spring, and piston. Additionally, you will need the lid, discharge tube, and cylinder with base. First step is to place the spring on top of the piston, followed by the head insert. Step 2, place the head tube on top of the head insert and piston. Step 3, place 3 gauging collars on top of the head tube. Fourth step, place the locking collar on top of the 3 gauging collars on the piston. Step 5, screw the knob onto the top of the piston. Step 6, place the lid on top of the discharge tube and cylinder and secure with the tube nut. The final step is to place the assembled pump into the cylinder. Secure by screwing the locking collar onto the cylinder.